to this course Basic Manufacturing Process, Unit 4, Lecture 18, Non-Metal Metallic. Agenda for today Agenda for today present in this video: raw material of the plastics, general property of plastic, types of plastic material, and thermosetting plastic, thermoplastic and material, types of thermoplastic, types of thermosetting reagents, and types of thermoplastic of reagent, types of plastic reagent, types of the thermoplastic reagents. Continue. Raw materials for the plastic. The raw materials for the plastic is compound for the various agriculture product and the numerous materials and organization material include the petroleum, coal, gas, limestone, and silica and sulfur इत्यादि material in consisting the material include the petroleum coal, gas, limestone, and silica and sulfur. The natural resin are wax. Natural are wax. The silica, pitch, and between resin, rubber, इत्यादि. The process by which the numerous or the combined to form the polymers is known as the polymerization. Each following two methods or the plastic in polymerization. The addition of polymerization and consideration of polymerization. In the addition of polymerization, two or more similar monomers directly react to the from the polymer. Two or more similar two or more similar monomers directly react with form of polymers or combined in the chemical reaction to generate the thermoplastic. The consideration polymerization take two over the more similar numerous that react from the polymers pulsify the product water and used for the polymer or in the product of metals. The general property of the plastics following the are general property of plastic due to the which is used in engineering. The lightness of weight. First of all, the very good property of light of the weight, the material. The specific gravity varies from 1 to 1.4 1 to 2.4 in the specific specific gravity of the plastic easy workability. The plastic in the use for the easy workability to plastic can be easily casted, molded, drilled to the machine. The high resistant to corrosion. The high resistant to corrosion of the plastic material highly resistant to the absorption. The high absorption of the good thermal and electrical insulator of materials for the plastic. The good strength and rigidity of the plastic the physical properties of the good strength and rigidity absorbent of the vibration and sound. The plastic material is the absorbent of the vibration and sound. The good resistance to most of the chemical reactions of the chemical impermeability to the water, and the plastic is the application of the rain of waters in the roof on the shed and to low of fabrication cost. The to fabrication of the cost, low fabrication of cost, the good dimensional stability of the plastic can be made by the transference of the colorant or color for the plastic. The plastic is the depend on the your application of the colors and by use for the requirement of field in generate to the property of the plastic material. Types of plastic. The plastic are broadly classified into the two types of thermosetting plastic, and the other one is the thermoplastic materials. The thermosetting plastic, also known as the heat heat setting material. The thermoplastic material is the part of heat setting. Heat setting material are those plastic which are formed into shape under safe under the heat. The format into the safe under the heat in the temperature range. The the temperature range of the thermosetting plastic is the 127 degrees Celsius to the 177 degrees Celsius, and the pressure and the result in the uh, perme- permeability of hard product. The thermosetting plastic is the work from the temperature range 127 degrees Celsius to the 177 degrees Celsius, and the pressure of result in the permeability of the product. The thermosetting plastic are the soluble in the alcohol. All the thermosetting plastic soluble in the alcohol and other organic solvent when they are in thermosetting plastic stage. This property is utilized in making the paint. The utilized in the making the paints on the varnish from the plastics. Varnish from the plastic. These plastics are hard, strong, and these these plastic are hard, strong, and the durable. These are the manufacturing in the variety of beautiful color. The thermosetting plastic is the choice of the your color making for the plastic products. Plastic in the material for the variety of the beautiful color is the application of the domestic and other product in the application. The thermoplastic thermoplastic materials, also known as coolant setting material, thermosetting plastic. This is the plastic is the hard setting material, and thermoplastic material is the cold setting materials. These are plastics which do not become for hard with the application of heat and pressure in the thermoplastic material in the material used in the not used for the application of heat and pressure. No chemical reaction, no chemical change of occurrence, no chemical change of occurrence. They remain soft of solvent temperature. They remain soft and solvent of temperature and become hard on cooling. This is the material is the temperature is the heart of the cooling. These plastic are better than thermosetting plastic. These plastic are better than thermosetting plastic because they can be they can be used for the gain and the again. The thermoplastic material is the thermosetting plastic because they can be used for the recycling of the material and reuse for again by again. This this scrap obtained from the molding operation, and this is thermoplastic is the operation in the molding of operation rejection article. The rejected articles and the seam into the into the granular for the restitute and make for first quality of product of the thermoplastic. These thermoplastic are used for making of the toys and other ordinary other and used for the ordinary purpose of the materials in the thermosetting plastic is the application of the generalized application. The phenolic reaction on the thermoplastic. The most important of the phenolic most important of phenolic reason in the phenolic the formaldehyde. It is the obtained by the considering of the phenol with the formaldehyde in the presence of the crystalline. It is the highly resistant to heat water non-oxidizing acid. This is the non-oxidizing of the this is heat, water, non-oxidizing acid, salt, and maybe organic solvent. It possesses excellent electrical insulating properties. It is excellent and electrical insulating of the property. It is one of the it is one of the cheapest material of all the thermosetting reasons. It is used in manufacturing hurdles of the cooking comb and the toilet seats, bolt cap, deals, and the telephone parts, and combined of the radio and television, electrical components, and components like the switches, plugs, and switch of board of the in the application of the plastic. It is also used as the binder in pants for the varices and as the abrasive of the grinding wheels in making to the plastics or materials. They are the thermostatic reasons, the phenolic reasons. Now, the phenolic is the carbolic acid. The phenolic in the carbolic acid, and obtained as the by the product during the dissatis- dissatisfaction of the organizing substances such as wood and coil. Coil is the this is the most application in the working procedure of the thermoplastic. The phenolic reasons are used with the variety of fillers to modify and the properties of the materials in application. For the example, wood floor of the general purpose, wood floor of the general purpose of the stand for heat resistance, and the mica for the electrical insulation is the most of the application of the material. The phenolic reason in the phenolic reasons may be molded by the compression and transfer of molding method is application of this material. The product is drawing from the projection of the material is the manufacturing is very easily to the race. This is the thermoplastic is the very low work on temperature and the required for the recycling of material in the application. This is the thank you so much in this video.